Hello everyone, Sam is here from my ForexMagicWave.com, making this small video like a midweek recap. Today Wednesday, 10:43 p.m. So let's get started. Couple of things happened this week. We were ready for those things. So let me show you first here. This is the Aussie Index daily chart. I made it on the 8th November, which was last Friday. And when the day closed, this is how you close the day. And I said this will send GA, means pound Aussie, and Euro Aussie upside, and Aussie Newsy, Aussie CAD, Aussie USD, and Aussie Yen downside, if that happened. Okay, if then strategy, my strategy is, if we continue going to the downside, this will happen. These two pairs I really don't trade. This one once in a while. These are my two favorite, GA and EA. So let's go and take a look what happened to this. First, this chart as of today. How does it look like? This straight drop from there. Okay, so and what happened? This will send, this is what I said, and it went up, and I forgot to change this and these pairs, they went down, right? And I took GL and E long, and AJ and AU and AJ short, as I said. Really, I took it, or I'm just bluffing, right? That's the question. So here it is. This is on the 13th today. This is, and then the chart I made was, look, on the 8th. So obviously after 8 we're looking at. So this is on the 11th, which is Monday, right? So this Wednesday 13th. So Monday 11th, as soon as the market opened up on Monday, this is AU going up. That's what I said, right? GA buy going up 110 pip. That's what I said. AJ coming down. I have another AJ coming down right here somewhere, and then it went down. But this is what it is, AJ, on the 11th. And just now I closed Aussie USD to the downside. Exactly what I said that I'm going to do, and this is what's going to happen. So GA, EA went up, and AU and AJ went down, and I got the entries, and I took it. This is the beauty of the system, that if you plan and you see that this is what's going to happen, and then you will definitely see the entries. Perfect, by the book entries, which you can take very easily. So this is what happened. This is one game happening between Aussie index and Aussie pairs, right? There was another index or the currency index chart that I made, which was this yen index weekly. And not only that I made it on the 7th. I posted both of these. For example, like, see, this is you can see this is the Aussie index daily chart, the one I made on the 8th. I posted on my Telegram channel, telling my clients, my subscribers, that this was going to happen. I even mentioned them on the Sunday webinar, explain every single thing, that this thing will happen. Okay, be ready and take it. And this chart here, I posted on the Telegram on November 12th. Most of my trade was today. You saw it, right? Well, you didn't see it. You're gonna see it right now. Okay, so I posted on the 12th, right? This is what's going to happen to this chart. It's gonna drop. Yen index, when it's dropping, yen gonna get strong, right? And when yen gets strong, yen is always on the right hand side on each and every single pair. So they all go down. That's why I said that this will set all yen pairs down. Not only this, but I also posted that on the Forex Factory, on my thread over there. See, this says all yen pairs going to drop soon, and be ready. I will be taking shorts in most yen pairs, and I posted that on November 11th, right? So this is what the plan. This is nothing is after the fact. This is everything 2 days ago. I already predicted that this is what's going to happen, and this is what I'm going to do, right? And after that, what happened to this chart? Watch, this is on the 7th I made, and as of today, it is on the 13th. This is a weekly chart. It looks very little drop, but it has done wonders on the pairs, and it will do wonders in coming days. Okay, this is just the beginning. Okay, the game just starting. But what I did with this, all yen pair supposed to go down, and I supposed to take our yen pair short, right? Start watching. This is pound yen short on the 13th. USD yen on the 13th short, sell entry. Euro yen 20-minute on the 13th short. This was the short as well, but it was on the 7th. This is the current, on the 11th, and then I close it on 13th. It's on the 12th. The entry was on the 12th. Okay, and here on the 13th, Aussie yen. I remember I showed you this one. This is the second one here. That was the third one, but I was in here, so the one is enough, right? On the 13th, I closed that. And CAD yen short, and another USD yen. This one, that's from the other account. This is, I have multiple accounts, by the way. So when I see the opportunity, I take one, because in America you cannot close the last one first, right? So I had to, just take it from the other account. So this is one it is. There was one. The first one was here. The second one is there. And again, Aussie yen. This is the first one actually. This, it came again. I don't know why. So see, all 6-7 pairs, all to the downside. Aussie yen, USD yen, CAD yen, Aussie yen, Euro yen, USD yen, pound yen, right? The only thing is not here is New Zealand, because yesterday what happened? The New Zealand news came out, and New Zealand got really strong, right? And it sent the whole New Zealand, pound New Zealand, New Zealand to the upside, pound New Zealand to the downside. And by the way, I had like 200 pip trade on pound New Zealand yesterday. So this is what happened. All yen pairs. When I said that they're gonna go down, and I'm gonna take the short, and I did, right in front of you. And similarly, Aussie USD, Aussie yen went down, and see, I will show you one more time here. All Aussie pair, the GA will EA go up, and all these will go down. So I took 4 of them. This is to the long side, and AU and AJ to the downside. One, 2, downside AJ down, and Aussie USD down. Then I said yen index, all yen pair gonna drop, and this is what happened to the chart. And then see pound yen all today. I closed most of them yesterday. Some entry was yesterday, but pound yen today down, USD yen, Euro yen, Aussie yen, CAD yen, USD yen, Aussie yen again. There was another Aussie yen, by the way, but I don't know why this one is keep coming. I messed it up, I guess. Anyway, so this is on the 11th. Yeah, why this one coming? Where is the one I did on 13th? Oh, this is the 13th. So yeah, this was the 11th, and it went on the last, and then this is the second one. This is Aussie, and second entry came first. So these are 2 countries. So see, this is what happened, right? So I received an email today that all these if you can show us, or your entries, and this seems like after the fact. Well, how come it's after the fact? I'm telling you like 4 or 5 days ahead of time that this is what's going to happen, and I'm gonna take all yen short, and then I take all yen short according to my setup. It is not even that I'm taking random trades. I'm taking by the rules with the setup. Everything is proper setup exactly. See this beautiful Euro yen. This is by the book setup. That's my Euro. Magic IB system setup. It's indicator all the way down. Yellow is below the black line. Higher low. Lower high, lower high, and then a couple of red candles. Open the trade. Put the SL over there, and then move the SL around. Simple as that. All right. So this is it for now. And there are a couple of other charts. There are always some charts. If I can pinpoint this index charts, that the beauty of index chart is that once you have that, you have multiple trades in your hand. You have multiple choice kind of situation, right? Just like I had in yen. I took all of these trades because I wanted to show everyone that this is what happens, right? I just wanted to show it practically by doing it, saying something in a blah blah blah. Anybody can do that, but taking the trades by the book, by the setup before, and telling that this is what I am going to do ahead of time, few days in advance. That's the key. Okay, nobody knows what will happen after 2 days, 3 days, right? But I did that twice this week with Aussie index and then with yen index, and 4 trades in Aussie pairs, 6, 7 trades in yen pairs, and they were all ahead of time, right? So that's what really happened. And you don't have to do it. You can only trade maybe 2 or 3 solid setups, but increase the lot size, right? You don't have to take this headache. I'm saying that I did it because I wanted to show everyone that this setup happens everywhere. When the index move, it move all the pairs. They move all the same time in the same direction. That's the beauty of it, if you understand it. And then what you're gonna do is, if you sign up, for example, you subscribe, and then you master only 2 or 3 pairs. That's it, right? Yen, for example, euro yen, pound yen, Aussie yen. That's it. Forget about everything. And then when situation like that, I say, if I tell you that okay, this thing is gonna drop, and then all yen pair gonna go up, look for long setup, and when you find something like that, go big, heavy amount, like your position, right? Heavy position, and that's it. One trade, one good trade, 100 pips. You have 3 standard lot. That's $3,000. Take it and run. That's it. Simple as that. All right, so this is how it is. If you like what you saw, go on my website, subscribe, and then start trading like that. The learning is the key. Learn, right? Nothing is after the fact here. Everything is way before the fact, with solid analysis and to the pip, perfect calculation. Everything S&R levels. Look how my levels work, and then this system, IB system, is perfect to take entries. All right, so this is it for now. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.